ShoreMaster's Quick Connect Dock Accessory System. Easy, quick, accessories to fit your needs. Imagine adding, removing, or reconfiguring your dock accessories at a moment's notice and without the need for tools. When you choose a ShoreMaster dock system, you'll enjoy the convenience of Quick Connect accessories. After the initial setup, you will never need tools to adjust or reconfigure your dock accessories. You won't find an easier system anywhere else. The Quick Connect accessory system allows for tool-free customization. With the Quick Connect T-handle fasteners, it's easier to customize your dock. Lightweight aluminum brackets provide superior strength and durability. Stainless steel and brass hardware won't rust or corrode. And ShoreMaster's Quick Connect accessory system fits all ShoreMaster Infinity docks. You'll enjoy Quick Connect benefits with the Infinity RS4, Infinity TS9, Infinity RS7, and the floating FTS9. The Quick Connect accessory system is available for most ShoreMaster dock accessories.